Okay, everything was working good until we got to the python here. This is way fatter than the handlebar is here, and this here is long and skinny, not short and fat like you need for this thing. So as expected, no way this mess is gonna come out. So like all good wiring jobs, when you find a mess, you got to take it apart at the mess and deal with it. So let's go see what's in here. We know it's going to be nice and pretty. Wonder why they get $2,000 to change handlebars. It'll be a lot of hours. Maybe there's some parts involved. Maybe that's why I don't do that. Ah, look at that. Appears to be a mess under here. At least we have lots of tape. It's important to have all this tape. Hey Joe.
So you got it running, huh? You can put those bars on there, racing bars, huh?
Yeah, the problem with these stupid bars here are the problem.
What's the problem, wiring?
Well, I'm in my second hour of wiring.
Trying to pull everything out.
Yeah, well, this pregnant mess here don't fit through that mess. Okay, so if we get rid of some of this crap.
Good thing you don't need all that, you know?
Well,
I cut them all off.
I think I am going to cut it off.
You got plenty of wire there to deal with.
Yeah.
You almost have enough right there coming and hanging out already.
The problem is I don't have the terminals to use.
Oh. Yeah, I just gave you a bunch of them.
You want to go see if you can find some of these terminals for me?
Where are they? Where are they at?
I don't know, maybe Willie's has some, I don't know.
Oh, Willie's closed.
They are?
I gave you a bunch of them the other day.
This style?
Ins and outs, yeah. Your male and female.
These aren't amped, these are different ones.
Oh.
For this stuff.
Well, you gotta go into there.
Yeah, it's for these. Different style. I definitely don't need the length.
Definitely don't need the length.
I think I'm going to wind up having to cut these. I'm going to try to get through without doing it. I broke one.
One what, end?
One terminal. Wouldn't come out, I had to pull it apart. I had to rip it apart and I had to beat out with a punch to get the piece out of the socket.
Oh.
It was not happy. I called it quits flat last after doing that.
Last night?
Yeah.
What time? Early this morning?
Chasing around. I now own an Indian.
Well, got the seat on there too, huh?
It's titled. And I went to Haggerty to get some insurance, so it'll be a couple days before I know if I have it or not.
You get it titled yesterday.
Today. This morning, 412.
There you go. Some private DMV place?
Yeah, AAA.
Oh.
Paperwork's in the book over there.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, I got the first phone call was at 7:15 this morning.
I gotta wait till 10 or 11 to call you, I think. I didn't answer the first time.
There's another calling about for that. And there's an hour call to Canada.
Canada? What the hell's up there?
Evidently, people up there have Indian or have Harleys too. Doesn't
yeah?
work.
Can't
Okay,
believe
this here, I don't know what this does. It doesn't appear to let me come out if I keep this on here. I think the smart thing to do is to cut that off.
Put this over where it was. I don't know where you had it.
This looks like some shrink tubing anyway. You want to put your fingers in front of the knife for me?
Nope, not today.
You're not going to be smart?
Time to sharpen that baby.
I did sharpen it once.
Good heat shrink.
Tears better than it cuts.
Mm-hmm. Got me one cut first, I think, though.
Ooh, a razor blade there. I
Yeah.
found the sharp part. There, I fixed that.
What was
problem.
that thing? Just a little going both ways, huh?
I don't know what that thing does. All right. Success to here, but you know we still got to get through the other side yet.
Yeah. Oh, got it made.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Piece of cake.
Success, look at that.
Oh, a nice long one.
Nice brand new controls, mint chrome. Perfect. Which one is this?
You got a hole in these handlebars, or are you gonna go on the outside?
I gotta put a hole in it. It says right side. That's the right.
This one?
Must have the on-off button on it. Oh,
Start-
it does. It says
start button.
on-off.
Yeah.
Okay, here, figure out where that
Why
goes.
don't you go
Joe.
around the outside of the bars?
Figure out how you're gonna make that work. Yeah, I don't know.
Give me the throttle.
Joe, I don't know what I'm doing. Haven't you figured it out yet?
Okay.
Joe, do you know I don't know what I'm doing?
Yeah, I know. I'd make this work on the outside of the bars if I was you.
Outside with zip ties?
Yep.
Is that gonna meet the OE requirement?
We got all these yeah. I don't think they came on the outside, on the inside of the bars.
I don't know. I haven't investigated Indians yet to see how they are. You can go on your phone and check it out for me. Did Indian put it on the inside or outside of the bars?
Grind that away a little bit.
You know how I can tell?
Mm.
If I go get those bars that I have that are Indian
Oh, you have some?
and look at them, you could probably tell what they did.
You have a different set of bars besides these?
You like how I left those Indian saddlebags laying outside all night?
You did? The quality bags?
They're laying out there by the front of the car.
Let's see what this pictures show here in the service manual.
That service manual's a joke. I couldn't find any pictures of anything in that damn manual.
No? That muffler's looking good.
You like that baffle I
It had a
took out?
super trap in it, didn't it?
You like that baffle that was in there?
Yeah.
It runs a lot better now that's not in there.
If I had a super trap in it.
Yeah, it's got a baffle on it like that, but then it's got all that crap inside of it.
Rear.
It runs a lot better with that stuff out not in there though. Okay, look at that. We got this almost all the way off. Except
I'll
it's,
tell you nothing but the wheels and
there we go. Look at that rat nest.
same thing.
It looks like it's thicker. It's a bigger wad. And the shrink tubing isn't shrunk very well. So that means it's going to be even more of a wad. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it out. If we can make it long and skinny, then it might go. You definitely got to put this side in first. Remember, left side first.
I thought that was, okay, that's the right side, isn't it?
No.
Oh, left.
So
Why?
it's the right side of the vise.
Why does it have to go first?
Because it's a fat pig,
Oh.
and it ain't going to go the other way.
I see a picture of these handlebars here, and I don't see any wires on the outside.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Don't pull very hard, just do a lot of wiggling. There you go.
Got it?
The wiggle wiggle is the answer. Look at that mess that came out of there. Alright. Now legally, all I need to start is a start button. I don't need a start button, I need a stop button. I only have to have an on-off switch, is all I gotta have to the race.
You know?
Nothing else has to work.
Have that on, they like that on-off button, huh?
Alright, we'll be back after. Go find the stock bars. So Joe says I need a hammer, a screwdriver,
Slide hammer.
air, slide hammer. A razor blade takes it off.
Well, that's for sure.
Even if it's glued on, it'll take it off.
You got so many holes in those handlebars, it won't, oh, you put on, I see how you do it. Never mind.
That's solid.
That's good.
You blow right in here, direct. Come out there, right?
You know, come out the bottom.
Except for all the holes.
Yeah. Anywhere except for where you want it.
Now you're gonna break the $30 tip off, trying to get a $5 grip off.
Do you think you'd be able to hammer shift this thing?
Yeah, it's gonna be what it's gonna be. Sounds like there's a hole someplace.
Yeah, everywhere. Can you spray some WD in there?
Yeah, that's next.
Got her now. What glue?
It's glued.
Yep.
Once I got the air and some of it started wiggling, it kept it going.
Yep.
All right, I got a $2 grip. All right. I wonder why they glued it on. Probably because it didn't stick.
Yeah. So those nice bars.
Probably won't use that grip either. But now I can sell the bars brand new.
Yeah.
Rare Indian part.
Rare Indian. Oh, look, that's a fakey headlight even. I didn't know they had the other head thing inside there. Just a cover.
Cover. It's fake.
I should have known.
You don't want this. This
No.
will look good on your FX.
I absolutely do not want those.
It look good on your car out there.
Yeah.
Good
No.
on the hood. Be like ram horns.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Sorry.
Oh, there you go. These are expensive bars. Look at that.
What are they? Chubs?
Look at those. Those are not those cheap Taiwan ones. These are expensive Taiwan.
Dressed up for master what?
These are cheap. These are expensive American-made ones. We got big flat spot.
Yeah, when did that happen?
That's where the master goes.
Oh.
Haven't seen that before. They got smart. Yeah, look at that weird shape. That D-shaped.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you get D-shaped tubing from?
Has to be a press.
And these things are heavy.
Yeah.
Bike's getting lighter already.
It's gonna go
Right.
faster already.
We'll be back.